Every spotlight you see has a silent team behind it, writing, planning, and creating in the shadows. This is that team. The ones who see it first, catching stories as they happen.
Good video isn't just about good angles, it's about timing, instinct, and knowing when not to cut.
The ones who don't just edit, they shape how it's remembered.
Reels aren't random, they are built on trend, timing, and ton of trial and error.
And the ones who give it shape and turn ideas into visuals.
You know that feeling when something just looks right? That's what I chase.
They are the ones who hit publish not just for reach, for impact. This is the Student Media Launchpad, made by the students for the story.